So if you see here, our PV ratio formula is change in profit divided by change in sales into 100. So if you see here, change in profit is, this is the profit information which is available to us. 2 years data they have given 2014 and 15. So change in profit you have to find out here. So profit, if you see, the difference is one is 20,000, other one is 25,000. So the difference will be the 5,000 here. Okay. Okay. So 5,000 is your change in profit, and your change in sales will be, again you have to find out the difference between these two. Okay, so first change in profit is difference between these 2 years, and change in sales will be the difference between these 2 years. Okay, so 1,70,000 minus 1,50,000, if you do, you'll be getting around 20,000. Okay, so this will be our change in sales. Okay, now into 100 you have to do. So whenever they give you 2 years data, so you have to use this PV ratio formula, or else you will be using contribution divided by sales into 100. Okay, so now just find out how much you are getting. That will be your PV ratio, that percentage. So you have to express in percentage PV ratio. Just find out.
%, ma'am.
How much?
25, ma'am.
25. Okay, pa. So this is our PV ratio percentage. Next, moving to break even point. So generally, no, when they give you break even point, generally you have to find break even point in rupees only. Break even point in sales, that is sales you have to find out, that is rupees. Okay, you need not find out in units. Okay, so break even point in rupees we have to find out now. BP, that is, it can be either sales you can mention, or in rupees you can mention. So then automatically your formula should come to your mind. So what is the formula for break even point? Break even point formula in rupees formula, that is fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Okay, so if you see in rupees, in units, if you want BEP in units means fixed cost divided by contribution per unit you will do. But whenever generally they ask you break even point, you have to find out in rupees, that is in sales only. So how we have to find out means fixed cost by PV ratio. Units க்கு வந்து இது மட்டும் மாறும். Units கேட்டாங்கன்னா contribution per unit you have to do denominator, numerator it remains same. In rupees, if they ask you fixed cost divided by PV ratio. Now fixed cost in this question we don't have. Okay, so we don't have fixed cost amount. Now again you have to calculate this fixed cost amount. Okay, so fixed cost amount, it is not available in our question. Like previous problem, we have to calculate this fixed cost amount. Okay, so fixed cost calculate பண்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி we have to calculate the contribution. Okay, so contribution formula is what? Fixed cost plus profit. Fixed cost plus profit. So this is a contribution formula. So contribution, first we need to know about this. Contribution we need to know. Okay, so contribution formula is what? Sales into PV ratio. Sales into PV ratio, your contribution formula. Sales amount, if you see, take any 1 year. So sales amount, if you see here, it is 1,50,000. Let us say take the first year, 1,50,000 sales amount. PV ratio. PV ratio just now we calculated. Why you are doing all this? No, we need to find out this fixed cost. Fixed cost amount question la irundadana, then no problem. Fixed cost amount substitute பண்ணிட்டு the PV ratio and the percentage you will substitute and find out the answer. Break even point in rupees you will find out. But fixed cost we don't know. For this only we are going through all these procedures. So fixed cost இத கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு first contribution is equal to fixed cost plus profit. The contribution கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோம் அப்படின்னா then you can find out profit already we know, fixed cost we can find out. So for that purpose only we are going to all these procedures. Okay, so now contribution formula we need to know. So contribution formula, if you see, it is sales into PV ratio contribution formula. Okay, sales amount, no, first year amount is 1,50,000 that I have taken. PV ratio, if you see, it is 25%. So PV ratio, that 25% you have to bring it over here. Now just find out how much contribution amount you are getting. So you have to mention in rupees. Okay, just find out 1,50,000 into 25%.
37,500, ma'am.
Yes, 37,500. 37,500. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. இதே next வந்துட்டு contribution in the formula ல அப்படியே we are going to substitute. Okay, so now contribution we know 37,500 we found out. Okay, fixed cost amount we don't know, அதுதான் நம்ம இப்ப calculate பண்ண போறோம். X ன்னு கூட you can keep it. And profit, you know, profit and the first year oda sales எடுத்தீங்கன்னா first year oda profit எடுத்துக்கோங்க. So here it is 20,000. Okay, first year profit is 20,000. So please take this 20,000. Okay, now find out fixed cost is equal to this 20,000 will go this side. So if it goes that side, 37,500 minus 20,000. Okay, now fixed cost amount is rupees. Subtract these two things. 37,500 minus 20,000. If you do, you'll be getting rupees 17,500. Just check whether you are also getting the same answer. Okay, this fixed cost amount is 17,500. In this fixed cost amount only you have to substitute here. Now fixed cost on the 17,500, PV ratio 25%. You can find out the break even point in rupees. Okay, so for this fixed cost, since we don't know this amount, we have gone through all these procedures. Okay, so first what we did, contribution or the formula, fixed cost plus profit. Profit amount we know, that is available in question. Fixed cost we don't know, that only we have to calculate and substitute here. Contribution also we don't know, so first let us calculate. So here if you see, this is the formula for that contribution formula, sales into PV ratio. Since sales information available irukku, PV ratio information available irukku, we substituted and found out contribution. Now contribution place la contribution, that amount you will substitute. Fixed cost we don't know, you have kept here. And profit we know, that is first year order profit only you have to take. First year order sales, first year order profit you have to take up. Okay, so then you will do it up in this way. So fixed cost amount will calculate, and finally again we will substitute in this in order to find out the break even point. So let us substitute here. So fixed cost is 17,500 divided by PV ratio is 25%, I think so. Yes, PV ratio is 25%. Okay, now find out break even point in rupees or break even point in sales, both are same. Okay, so just find out the answer. How much you are getting, you have to write it in rupees. Okay, 17,500 divided by 25%. 25% means 25 divided by 100, 0.25 ஆல divide பண்ணிக்கலாம். 17,500 divided by 0.25. How much you are getting?
70,000, ma'am.
70,000, right? So this is our break-even point in rupees. Break-even point we found out. PV ratio, break-even point we found out. Next, sales for a profit of 40,000. Profit for sales of 2,50,000. First, let us complete the third subdivision. Sales for a profit of 40,000. Profit information they have given. Sales you have to find out. Now, next subdivision. So, three, all those things you have to mention. Now, required sales, we are going to do it up. So required sales formula is fixed cost plus profit. Fixed cost plus profit divided by PV ratio. Okay. So fixed cost, if you see, no, you have calculated just now, that is 17,500. That 17,500 you can use here. Okay. Plus profit. Profit means that year profit, first year profit you can take because sales ellame first year order we are taking. So profit, profit year is 40,000. See here, sorry, sales for a profit of 40,000 means profit is this amount. So 40,000, this amount only you have to take. Okay. So profit you have to take that whatever given in that subdivision, concerned subdivision, that profit only you have to take it up. Now PV ratio is 25%. Already we have mentioned. So that 25% you just mention here. Okay. Now find out 17,500 plus 40,000. If you do, it is 57,500. I think so. Divided by 25%. 25% means 25 divided by 100, that is 0.25 you have to do. So just find out how much you are getting. That will be your required sales. Required sales. Rupees. How much you are getting?
2,30,000.
2,30,000. Good. Okay. So this is our required sales. So fixed cost, we calculated that one. That 17,500, you can bring it over here. Profit, if you see that concerned division subheading, you would have got here sales for a profit of 40,000. So profit 40,000 they have given you, sales how much they are asking you. So this 40,000 you can substitute over here. PV ratio we already know that you can substitute here and you can calculate like this your required sales. Okay. Now again next subdivision, if you see profit we have to calculate. When sales is rupees 2,50,000. Profit for sales of 2,50,000. அப்ப sales கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. Profit நீங்க கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னு அர்த்தம். So sales if you see it is 2,50,000. Now again the same formula also you can use. Same formula use பண்ணலாம். அப்ப sales நம்மளுக்கு தெரிஞ்சிடுச்சு. Sales amount 2,50,000. That 2,50,000 you can substitute sales placeல. Fixed cost you know 17,500. PV ratio தெரியும் 25%. Profit தான் நம்மளுக்கு தெரியாது. அததான் இந்த subdivisionல நம்ம calculate பண்ண போறோம். So இந்த placeல நீங்க x ன்னு வச்சுக்கிட்டு substitute பண்ணி answer இதே formulaலே you can substitute and find out. Okay. So sales is equal to fixed cost plus profit divided by, so formula is must. Okay. So formula you have to mention straightly. You should not go for substitution and finding out answer. So formula you have to write and from that only you have to do it up. So sales if you see 2,50,000 it is available in our question. Now sales is given, profit we have to calculate. Fixed cost one it remains the same 17,500 that we calculated already. Profit we don't know, we can keep that as x also. Illa profit vechikalam, it depends upon you. So we don't know that one. PV ratio we know that we have found out initially. So 25%. Okay. Now we can substitute in the 25% in account 25 divided by 100 na 0.25 ஆகும். So now what you have to do 2,50,000 ஓட இந்த 0.25 நீங்க multiply பண்ணீங்கன்னா you will get one value. Okay, just find out that value. So let me tell out 2,50,000 into this 25%. 25% means what? 25 divided by 100, that is 0.25. So how much you are getting, you just find out. இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் cross multiply, you just do it up. How much you are getting?
62,500, ma'am.
Okay, ma. 62,500. Okay. Now 17,500. Now this side is got over. This one is gone to the side. Cross multiply பண்ணியாச்சு. 62,500 we got. So this side remaining is 17,500 plus X. That is your profit. We don't know. Now this 17,500 you bring this side. So what will happen? X is equal to 62,500 minus 17,500. So now you can small letter X. Okay. Now we can find out your X value. That will be your profit. 62,500 minus 17,500. Your amount is
45,000.
okay, ma. So what is this amount means? Therefore, profit is equal to rupees 45,000. Okay. So profit is 45,000. So for this kind of problems, no, you must be thorough with your formulas and you have to see how to substitute, how can we derive that value. So one information will be there, other information we can calculate with that. Okay, so like that only you have to do such kind of problems. Marginal costing ratio analysis, you have to do in that way only. So still we have one more thing, margin of safety at a profit of 50,000. So margin of safety they are asking us to calculate. If you see here, it is rupees 50,000. Profit is 50,000. So margin of safety. So margin of safety, we have two formulas. Okay, one is actual sales minus break even sales, one formula. Next formula, if you see, no, it is profit divided by PV ratio. Profit divided by PV ratio. Okay, so this is the other formula for margin of safety. Profit divided by PV ratio. So now profit detail they have given in the question itself. In that particular subdivision they have given. So if you refer to the question, you can come to know. So margin of safety at a profit of 50,000. So this 50,000 only we have to take, and margin of safety we have two formulas. One is actual sales minus break even sales. Other one is profit divided by PV ratio. So profit amount they itself have given in that subdivision as 50,000. So that that you have to take, please. And profit divided by PV ratio. PV ratio we know 25% we have got initially. So this PV ratio, if you see, it is getting reflected everywhere. Profit volume ratio is getting reflected everywhere in the subdivision. So you have to kindly take care of that. PV ratio initially you have found out the wrong answer, means entire sum wherever PV ratio we are substituting, then it will go wrong. So you have to calculate properly that PV ratio, because break even point we require, margin of safety we require that one, contribution calculate பண்றதுக்கு we require. So everywhere we require that PV ratio, profit volume ratio. Okay, so just find out now 50,000 divided by 25%. So 25% means 0.25. So 50,000 divided by 0.25, how much you are getting? That will be your margin of safety. So margin of safety is equal to margin of safety is equal to rupees yes
2
I couldn't hear you, please.
2 lakh, ma'am.
2 lakh. Okay. So this will be our margin of safety. Okay. So in this problem, we have calculated PV ratio. Whenever 2 years detail, if you get, you have to use this formula for PV ratio calculation. Then break even point, then profit information, they will give you sales, you have to find out. Sales information, they have given you profit, you have to find out. Same formula only you will be using. Whatever you don't know, you will keep that one as X and find out the other one. Okay, if, with that other information, you will find this X. Okay. And margin of safety also we calculated, that is profit divided by PV ratio. This is our profit. PV ratio we already calculated and kept. If you substitute that, you will get your margin of safety.